So hello guys, in this video I am going to talk about artificial intelligence, that we also known as AI. So in this video I am going to talk about what is AI. So what is AI includes means what is basic meaning of AI, and I am also going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of AI. So first we start with the what is AI. So AI is a artificial intelligence, is nothing but a computer program which we using artificial intelligence machine learn from the surrounding and things on their own. Means these are the computer program which act as or which work as a intelligence, human intelligence. Means it's work as a human intelligence. Means if we want to make any conclusion regarding or any we want to know any information which is only we can do with our human intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a program or it is a computer based program which can do this work for us. So this is nothing but the computer program. So it is not like written a program and getting an output. When it does a work repeatedly, it finds a easier way to complete the work in lesser time. We can say that artificial intelligence are software program that resemble humans in learning and solving problems. So if this is the nothing but our computer based program which we use to solve our problems, means our human problems. So it is very easier to find our problem with just typing or writing our questions to the artificial intelligence. So he will easily give us that questions answers and all that things which we or which in any human being are going to do. So this is nothing but the basic information of AI. So AI also capable to perform tasks that require human intelligence, means which require our human intelligence. So that task can also performed by our AI. So AI is focused on the following components, means we are going to talk about the components of artificial intelligence. So first it includes the learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception and languages. Means it's understand different kind of languages, means different languages. So it will also provide us that result in that specific or that particular language that we want to know the information or the data which we want to know in that particular language. So these are the computer based program which perform our task, means when there is a requirement of a human being. So if we are going to use AI, so it also perform that artificial work for us. So this is about the AI and the component of AI. So now we are going to discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of AI. So what is advantages of AI, means we discuss these advantages on the basis of our human intelligence, as well as which how the AI is effect on a human life. So that all the advantages and disadvantages that I am going to discuss with you. So now first we discuss advantages. So it is a high precious accuracy speed, means when a human can make mistake, but AI cannot make any kind of mistake, because it is a computer based program, and we know that computer or system never can make any kind of mistakes. So second one is a low error compared to humans, means if we compare AI with our human intelligence, so that time AI is a low error, it make a low error as compared to human intelligence. So next one is a they can work in tasks that are dangerous to humans, means any kind of task, the task that is related to our human being. So if it is a very dangerous to perform, so we will go with the AI. So if there is any dangerous or hazardous actions in that particular task, so we can get or we can take a help of our artificial intelligence. So they can work 24 into 7, means they can work 24 hours, and a whole our week means our 7 days. So they can be employed in repetitive and boring kind of jobs, means if human beings understand or assume that any kind of job is boring, so on that job we can use our artificial intelligence as well. So they are used in a day to day applications, means they are going to everyone want to implement AI in their system, because they don't want any kind of error in their system or in their data. So they just want to improve, or they just want to implement AI in their system. So this is also one of the biggest advantages of AI, artificial intelligence. So now we are going to discuss about the disadvantages. So disadvantages is, since they are replacing human in many fields, there is a chance of huge unemployment, means we all know that because of AI there is a huge chances of unemployment, because human can efficient, but AI is efficient as well as accurate, and there if we are going to use AI, so there is no chances of error. So everyone or every firm or organization want to work such a kind of person or such a kind of system that that will not make any kind of error. So because of that because of these problem, or because of these AI, there is a huge chances of unemployment, means so many people are going to lose their jobs because of AI. So this is very big advantages, which is nowadays also so many employees suffering from this problem. And next one is the cost of creation is very high, means AI is as simple, we know that, very simple, but behind that there is a huge involvement, or huge there are huge amount of cost, or huge amount of money is involved, or behind that there is a very big investment in of money in AI or artificial intelligence. So it is also a big disadvantages of AI. And next one is if any error occur, it is very difficult to rectify it, means if any error is occurred by AI, so AI not going to fix it, because AI has limited data that we already put it on that system, or particular system, that only AI gives the result which we already put it, that on the basis of we put it data. So this is the biggest disadvantage of AI, which is we are using nowadays. So they are not going to solve, or they are not going to rectify any problem or any difficulty which is occurred during the AI performing. So our intelligence is what make us human, and AI is an extension of that quality, means our intelligence is one of the big achievement, or one of the most work, or that what we can say, then which is our human makes very intelligent. But when we are going to include with our human intelligence with AI, so it is extension of that quality, means it improve the quality of that particular system or particular data which are we want to we want that result. So that result is ultimately correct, and ultimately improve their quality. So this is nothing but the advantages, disadvantages of AI. So now this is the basic information of artificial intelligence. So what is mean by artificial intelligence, and what is the advantages and disadvantages of using AI, means artificial intelligence, in our system. So thank you guys.